Hello everyone, I am Kamal Ahirwar, JNKVV College of Agriculture Riva. My topic Certified Seed Production of Rice. Let's start now. Certified Seed Production of Rice. Botanical name Oryza sativa, chromosome number 24, family Poaceae, mode of pollination, cell pollination. Seed source. Seed should be from an authorized source, ASU, NSC, State Department for production of certified seed. Foundation seed should be used as a source seed which should be purchased with bill and tag. White tag for foundation seed. Land requirement. The land should be free of volunteer plant and the same crop or the other varieties of the same crop should not have been grown for the previous season. If it is the same crop, it should be the same variety that has been certified. This selection is highly important for maintenance of genetic purity. Isolation distance. The crop should have 3 meter of isolation at all sides of the seed production plot for maintenance of genetic purity. Seed rate. Short duration variety 60 kg per hectare, medium duration variety 40 kg per hectare and long duration variety के लिए 30 kg per hectare. फर्टिलाइजर रिक्वायरमेंट शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन के लिए 120 kg नाइट्रोजन एंड 60 kg फास्फोरस एंड 40 kg पोटास. लॉन्ग एंड मीडियम ड्यूरेशन वैरायटी के लिए 150 नाइट्रोजन, 50 kg फास्फोरस एंड 50 kg पोटास. ट्रांसप्लांटिंग. डिप द रूट इन फास्फोमिडान 0.02% against rice root nematode 20-minute period planting. Plant the seedling at optimum spacing 20 by 10 cm and optimum depth 33 cm. Transplant the seedling at 4 to 5 leaf stage. Weed management. Pre-emergence herbicide. Use Butachlor 2.5 liter per hectare and Pendimethalin 3 liter per hectare as pre-emergence on third day and is to be followed by hand weeding on 30 to 35 days. Pest and disease management. इंसेक्ट स्टेम बोरर, इसके लिए पेंटोन 100 EC वाला 500 ml पर हेक्टेयर के लिए डालते हैं. एंड ब्राउन प्लांट होपर के लिए मोनोक्रोटोफास 500 ml पर हेक्टेयर. डिसीज ब्लास्ट डिसीज मैग्नीपोर्थी ओराइजी से होती है, इसके लिए कार्बेंडाजाइम 250 ग्राम पर हेक्टेयर. एंड ब्राउन स्पॉट हेलमेंथोस्पोरियम ओराइजी से होती है, इसके कंट्रोल के लिए हॉट वाटर से ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं 53 to 54 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड फॉर 10 to 12 मिनट के लिए. रोगिंग इज important to maintain for maintenance of genetic purity. Remove all off-type plant and remove when suspect is the thumb rule of rogging. Rogging should be done from the sowing up to harvest and remove the as and when is come across. Harvesting. Logate plant should not be selected for seed purpose with hold irrigation 1 week before harvest. Delay harvest may lead to heavy shattering. Bundle plant should be stacked as air head facing outside to avoid heat damage. Threshed producer should be clean and free of admixture in crack and crevice. Bird scraping are also practiced in place of requirement. Threshing. Thresh the seed by beating the plant on a hard surface, but take care that the seeds are not mechanically damaged. In tractor and machine threshing, avoid mechanical damage by proper adjustment of speed machine setting. Thresh at proper moisture content to avoid cracking and 60 to 70%. Clean the floor equipment container to avoid genetic and physically mixture. Grading. The bulk seeds are normally processed, thus seed cleaner cum grader, and the seeds of middle sieve are selected for seed purpose. Seed yield. The yield of crop varies from 30 to 70 quintal per hectare depending on genotype, location, season management practice and pest infection. Thank you for watching.